Hey y'all, so today we're going to take a trip to Austin, visit some friends. Our friend in Austin, they just had a beautiful baby and a new home. So got some new going on. So we're just so excited to see them and just have a good time and just chill and find something to get into possibly.
Yeah,
Maybe.
it's about a 45 minute, right? 45 to an hour minute drive.
No, with the new directions, about an hour and 15, hour 30.
Oh, okay, not too bad still. Okay.
Not at all. But
You get to go to Buc-ee's.
I get to go to Stay tuned.
Thank you, Lord Jesus, for letting me make it through Buc-ee's. It's too damn crowded in there.
Get over it.
Don't make no damn sense. That's why I don't go in there. Go in, get out, let's go. Next leg of the ride. Hitting up.
Onward. Onward.
But I do like these chips here.
Get my sliced brisket famous. If only it was closer.
No,
every day.
that's all you would eat every day.
Yep.
Don't make no sense.
Every day. Buc-ee's every day.
Not good.
Every day.
We made it.
Oh, we made it safe and sound.
Safe and sound.
It'd be funny when like neighbors just like stare at the person that's driving.
He don't know
I
how to
always
drive,
just
that's
wave
why.
back.
I don't know why he waved at these people. They in their environment. They is just looking outside because they're already outside. Why not look outside and see who pulling up? Why he got a problem with them looking outside and see who pulling up? Why? Why?
It's less of a problem, just acknowledgement. Hey.
They ain't got to wave at you. This is their environment. We're going to a place called Sawyer
Company.
I ain't never been here before, but it's in Austin.
It's in Austin, y'all. Yes. Hopefully, a baby finds some parking fast.
He will. It's better we got out anyway, because it'll be like, look, it's one right. Oh, okay. Wait, it's one right there. It's one right there. And then we'll be like, you go get it. You go get the. You go get the car while we wait right here. Mimosa. Oh, let me get a little. Hey.